Hi, I'm Saurav. Today, I'm going to guide you through converting currency amounts into words using Excel. Unfortunately, Excel doesn't have a built-in function for this task, but don't worry, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, let's open the developer console by pressing Alt plus F11. Then, insert a module and paste the provided code into it. You can find the code in the description below this video. Once you've pasted the code, close the window. Now, in Excel, simply enter the formula Yox spell number Indian, and inside the parentheses, specify the cell containing the currency amount you want to convert. And that's it. You'll instantly get the amount converted into words, following the Indian style of numbering. You can convert amounts up to Karab using this method. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Sheet Shiksha for more useful tutorials. Also, feel free to mention any other topics you need help with in spreadsheets.